Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we're going to unbox and review the ZD Toys Marvel Spider-Man Iron Spider Armor action figure from ZD Toys. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for this very cool action figure. If you want to know more about ZD Toys na Spider-Man Armors, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook and Laro Anan on Shopee. Okay, the front of the box, the shot of the action figure, very nice, very dynamic pose. Marvel logo, Spider-Man logo, Disney seal, meaning this product is original and authentic. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toy. And at the back, we have the shot of the action figure, dynamic poses, information about ZD Toys, barcode, QR code, Marvel Spider-Man Iron Spider Armor, and dito merong magnetic flap. Very high quality box. Very high quality packaging. Sa first tray, nandito yung action figure. Sa second tray naman, nandyan yung accessories. Alright, out of the box, this Iron Spider is very, very nice. Grabe. Super, super cool. Lalo na itong mga spider arms niya na sobrang mahaba to. Mas mahaba pa. Tingin ko mga 9 inches to. And si Iron Spider stands around 7 inches tall. 110 scale siya. Mga 110 scale around 7, 7 inches tall. Madali lang naman i-attach yung mga Iron Spider arms niya. Super nice. Very cool gold color. Hindi siya yung super vibrant na gold. And meron siyang articulation. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points of articulation. 5 pala. Meron pa dito. Pwede niyo ikabit dito sa kanyang likod. Okay? Madali lang naman. Hindi siya loose Hindi rin loose yung yung spider legs. Okay? So madali lang siya i-attach. Tatlong spider legs yung kasama for your accessories. And marami pang iba. So meron pang mamaya puntahan natin yan. In terms of sculpt, very nice sculpt. And also the paint is top notch. Sobrang ganda ng paint job ni ZD Toys pagdating sa mga cherry red na mga suits or armor, especially kay Iron Man and dito kay Iron Spider. Look how shiny the head is. You have the large eyes, tapos texturized yung ibang segment ng kanyang arm, different finishes. So you have matte finish and you have the metallic finish. Ang ganda ng gold na ginamit nila dito sa chest. Yung logo niya sculpted, very nice, and ang ganda rin ng pagkakagawa lalong-lalo na dito. Hindi siya loose. Tamang-tama lang yung higpit ng niya ng higpit ng mga screws for articulation. Okay? In terms of body build ni Spider-Man, hindi siya yung super large build. Parang very slim medium build yung proportion ng body ni Spider-Man dito. Meron din mga lines, mga armor lines dito sa kanyang body. Sa ganda ng texturized segment dito sa kanyang arms. And then dito meron din siyang gold gauntlet to complement yung red. Very nice. Kasi ito, warm color. Tapos yung gold naman, nasa medyo mas cool tone. Hindi siya yung super vibrant na gold. Very nice texture here sa inner part ng kanyang thighs. Then sa likod naman, ito yung back part niya na merong attachment ng mga iron spider na legs. Tapos for the feet, meron siyang boot, boots na merong gold segment, and then dito meron din gold section. And then meron din siyang ano pa ba? Meron ding toe articulation. In terms of yun nga, mga accessories muna. Sige, sa accessories meron siyang hexagon shape na base. Meron din siyang pole with spring-loaded clamp. So, pwede nyo i-post for dynamic poses. Meron siyang web accessory na translucent. Also, meron din siya 3, 4, 5, 6 extra hands and 2 extra eyes. Okay? Very nice. Okay, in terms of articulation, yung kanyang head can rotate. Ooh, nice. Can look up, down, rotate, 360. Tapos, meron siyang butterfly joint. Arms can rotate, double jointed elbow. Tapos, ball joint yung kamay. It can also stretch, crunch, move side to side. Legs can go pull down, tapos can kick that far. Tapos double jointed yung kanyang knee You can go out this far, back kick. Tapos, meron din siyang toe articulation. Ball jointed din yung paa. Alright, overall, this is a very nice action figure from ZD Toys. And kung gusto niyo bumili nito mga ma'am sir, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Laruanan on Shopee. Very nice paint job, very nice sculpt. Ang ganda ng Iron Man spider legs na attachments dito sa likod. Also, meron pa siyang mga accessories and base. So, sulit na sulit ang mga ma'am sir. That's it. So, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!